today we will start with operators in C++. So let's get started. So operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. These are used to perform operations on variables and value. So there are different type of operators like arithmetic operators, relational, logical, assignment, bitwise, miscellaneous, etc. But we will see the important operators that are used in C++ in our practical. So now I will open this folder by right click and open with code, and now it is opening using Visual Studio Code. And now we will name our program. So I will name it operator.cpp, and now we will open that operator.cpp. Name is correct. So now I will tell you something about operators. So operators are used to perform operations on variable and values. Do you know what are operators? Just like plus, minus, divide, multiply, etc. These are all operators, and there are many more we will discuss later on. First of all, let's start with a program in which we will see how we use these operators. Actually, mainly the operators are used to perform arithmetic calculations like plus, minus, multiply, divide, as I had told you earlier. But other than that, there are also many other operators that we'll see later on. So let's start with our program. So we will start with hash include iostream, and then using namespace std, then int main, and now in main function we will start our program. So first of all, I will declare a variable. A variable name will be sum1, in which we will do sum of 150, and let me use the semicolon here, and after that I will use next variable, that is sum2, in which we will sum number 1, that is sum1, and other than that we will add 250 in that. And now let me declare one more variable, that will be sum3, and in sum3 we will add sum2 plus sum1. So now let's see their outputs so that you will come to know that how we perform this. So I am writing here arithmetic addition operator, that is plus, and now we will use \n for next line, and now in the next line I will write cout sum1 and then sum1. We want sum1, so we will write as sum1, and after that we will use /n for the next line. Similarly, now I will copy it and I will use it for sum2 and sum3. So now we will output here also sum2 and sum3. Just I have to change the value here, sum2 and sum3. So can we output it now? Let's see the output. So I'm running it. So output is coming. So output is here, sum1 equal to 150, sum2 equal to 400, and sum3 is equal to 550. So how it has came? You can see here 100 plus 50 is 150, and then sum1 plus 250, mean to say that 150 plus 250. So 150 plus 250 is equal to 400, and after that sum2 plus sum1. So sum2 is 150 plus 250, that is 400 plus 150. So 400 plus 150 is 550. So output is here. So that's how we can use our operators that are known as arithmetic operators. Here it is known as arithmetic operator. We have different type of more operators, and now we will see assignment operator. What is assignment operator? Assignment means just assigning a value. You can see here equal to is also assignment operator. Other than that, there are also different types of assignment operator. Let me show you one. Like we will declare a variable int x equal to 10. So here we have assigned the value of 10. So equal to is the assignment operator. Other than that, what we can say, like x plus equal to 5, it is also an assignment operator. How it is assignment operator? It is assigning a value. What will be the output? That 10 plus 5 will be the output. Mean to say that x will have the value of 10 plus 5. Mean to say x will be equal to 15. Plus equal to 5 means that first of all 10 will be there, and we will add 5 into it, and then x will have the value of 15. First of all, we have to print this output also. So let me write here the code for output. So I will write here x equal to, and then x, and then semicolon, and now I will see the output. So output is x equal to 15. As I had told you, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. If I want to do minus here, I can also do minus here. I will use minus, then now output will be 5. So you can see here output is 5. So this is known as a assignment operator. Assignment operator is like equal to, minus equal to, plus equal to, multiply equal to, divide equal to. And now we will see one more operator, that will be comparison operator. So let me show you a comparison operator also. I know that I can tell you the theory first and then I can make the program, but I prefer that practical is better than theory, so I had performed practical first. So then in the last we will see the theory, and in theory we will see that how many type of operators are there and which we use here. So let me use now comparison operator. For that I am again using two variables. First of all, int x equal to 5, and then I am using int y equal to 3. And now I am repeating the variable. X is here also, x is here also. So let me change the variable here. Let me take it z. So I am taking it z, and now we are taking z and y values. So now I will use comparison operator. So C out, and then in brackets z is greater than y. So if it is true, then it will return the value of true, and if it is false, then it will return a value of false. Mean to say that if it is true, then it will return value 1 or true, or if it is false, then it will return value false or 0. So we know that it is true, that 5 is greater than 3. So let's run it and see what output comes. Z is greater than y, and output is nothing here. And if I am writing here z is less than y, then what we will see here? Then also output is nothing. Okay. You can see here 51 and here 50. Actually what is that, I had not used here slash n to go to the next line, so I am using it slash n here. So now we will see that value of z is greater than y. So I had written as z is less than y, so it can return false, mean to say that 0. So let's see, it is returning 0. So it is returning 0 here. So now we will do it greater than. So if we will compare it and see if it is greater value, then it will return 1. So it is returning 1. So I am true here. So this is known as a comparison operator. So we had seen here 2 to 3 types of operators. So now in end I have to use a return 0. I always forgot. Now our program is complete. So we had seen here operators of different types. So now in the end I will explain you some main operators that we use in C++. I will describe them properly. So now I had written all the important operators here. So first of all, there is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are like this. First of all, addition, and then subtraction, then multiplication, then division, then modulus, increment operator, then decrement operator. So you can see in the description here that addition adds two values, subtraction subtract one value from another, multiplication multiplies two values, divide divides two values, and modulus returns division remainder. Mean to say that if x will be divided by y, then what will be the remainder that will be returned by modulus. And then increment will increment, mean to say that increase the value of variable by 1. And then it is decrement variable that decreases the value of variable by -1. Mean to say that if it is 10, then we will use decrement operator. It will decrease its value to 9. And then we have their assignment operators. First of all, it is equal to. Equal to is assigning a value, like x equal to 5, mean to say that x had given a value that is 5. And then plus equal to. Plus equal to is also assigning a value, but how? It is adding the value and then assigning it. Mean to say that x plus equal to 3, mean to say that whatever the value of x will be, it will add 3 to it and then assign the value. Mean to say if x value is 5, then it will add 3 and it will get the value that is 8. So 8 value will be there. Other than that, you can see here x minus 3, x minus equal to 3, that is equal to x minus 3, that we can say that it is also known as x minus 3, that whatever the value will be of x, like 10, so 10 minus 3 will be 7. Plus equal to, and then minus equal to, similarly star equal to, mean to say multiply equal to, and similarly divide equal to, and then modulus equal to, and then ampersand equal to, and then this, and then this, and then this, and then this, and then this. So mainly that we use here are these 4 to 5. Let me zoom it more so that you can see it properly. So other than that, there are comparison operators, that is double equal to. Double equal to is used to compare two values, like if it is exactly equal to that, mean to say that x is exactly equal to y, then we use double equal to. That 10 is exactly equal to 10, then we will use double equal to verify the condition. Other than that, we have not equal to. Not equal to means that if x is not equal to y, then what operation we have to perform? We will use if else statements. We will see control statements later on, then we will see how we use this equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, etc. and then greater than then less than what is it, and greater than equal to mean to say that the value is greater than x or equal to x, and then less than equal to that is mean that value is less than x or equal to x. And then we have logical operators. Logical operators are like and, or, and not. And returns true if both statements are true, like x is less than 5 and x is less than 10, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. But in OR, what happens in OR is OR returns true if one of the statement is true, like x is less than 5 or x is less than 4. Mean to say that value is 5, x value is 5, then x is not less than 5 but it is equal to 5, but x is less than 4, so that's why it will return true. Not operator. Not means that not equal to that we had used here. Not is just inverter. It inverts the value. Mean to say that it reverses the result. It returns false if the result is true, and it will return true if the result is false. Like x is less than 5 and x is less than 10, so it can return true. But if we had used not here, so it will return as false. If you want to see the output, you can also see the output. Just you have to declare this variable int x equal to 5 and then use this thing. You have to use it in a bracket, like you will use it like in a bracket here, and you will use a cout, and you can see the output of this. Similarly, this and this, you can see the output of this. You will come to know what is this. So you can also visit w3schools.com if you want to read the documentation. So thank you so much for watching this video. Now we will meet you in the next video.